Hello, our app is called Mikey and Maxine's Drawing Machine, coded by Michael Munakash and Maxine. The purpose of our app is to educate first graders on the different names for polygons. First, we have the instructions here and the option to change the background color. I will change it to pink. And when you're ready, you press start, or space to start. We have the polygon maker, which asks how many sides you want. So you want 6 sides, how big you want it to be, and what color. Red. And it says the name of the polygon and draws it. And this is our clear button. You also have the option to draw any custom shape and choose a pen color. And then when you're ready, press the up arrow. And you also have the option of free draw. And choose a color. Let's choose orange. You can free draw. And the size of the pen. And you can also erase. And just clear everything. That's all.